Okay, now we will learn how to move the astronaut in space and how to add sound effect to our animation. So first we will take the start button. Using this block we will take the start button, then we will take move. From the move block, move right, move left, then we will take rotate clockwise, then we will use move down. This is move up. Again we will take the rotate clockwise. Let us take rotate anti-clockwise, and then we will use forever block. Not forever, let us take some loop. This will repeat these all these steps 4 times, and we will add stop. Similarly, then we will let's see, this way the astronaut will move, and we can add some sound effects. Start, then this is the sound block. There is a pop sound option is present. Choose this one, and we will also repeat this 4 times, and then we will use stop. So it will give the pop sound 4 times. Okay, I will use this button to repeat it forever. So in this way you can move your astronaut and add sound effects to your animation. Thank you. So this is the code. This is end button, start button, pop sound. This is not required, only you can use if you are using forever. This loop is not required.